I guess I'm going the right way. I'm following the tracks. Well, come on. What the heck are you doing back there, man? What are you doing, Grandpa? Watch them angle things, don't hit them.
Oh man, I just hit one of them and I was like, oh.
If you hit them straight on, it don't matter, but if you hit them at an angle,
Yeah.
they don't want to give way very good.
That's one of them times when you better be on the throttle to get the front tire a little light. Let it track up it instead of ricocheting off of it.
Well, that was definitely the same gate we stopped at on when we started out.
Yep.
Yeah, we're...
Well, that one coordinate, right, was the base, and the other coordinate was the footprint. Remember?
But those coordinates you give me is the gate.
There was two coordinates.
Oh.
I didn't hear it again.
Oh.
All right, you ready?
Horse pucky. Patty, you're going to have to get it straight. This is two places which you're taking us to today, and we ain't found either one of them.
Turn around and look at Randy. Ask Randy how often this happens.
Randy, how often does this happen? He pleads the fifth.
Oh, no. Here, you can be honest. I tell people I go with, hey, I get lost all the time.
Yeah. Well, I would too. If I don't have it, like the coordinates to the spot or the spot marked, I won't be able to find it. I'm horrible. I mean, this is some sandy stuff loose, but it's not the worst sand I've ever been in for sure. I mean, it's doable. Not even close to the worst sand. Some of it's so bad you sink plumb up and you can't hardly even go. I can go no problem on this. Half a mile, turn left on unpaved road. And it's probably the wash. Whoa, it's kind of rocky out here.
Yeah, I don't know what's worse, the sand or the rocks.
I think the rocks is worse. That sand wasn't too bad. Yeah, I think you're better off. I got in those rocks like that was worse. Well, this is pretty cool up through here anyway. Maybe it's because it's in the shade for now. Hell, I thought if we're going to go see the dinosaur trash, we just well do it. We're already right here. I mean, when's the next time we're going to get up here? Where you at back there? I bet that old tank will wash away if the water gets up very high. That water tank up here. Whoa. Soft sand. Keep your momentum up, man. Ain't you ever heard that? There's still tracks up here. People have been driving up here. Says 7/10 of a mile to our coordinates. We're not too far. You okay back there? Are you break dancing or what are you doing? It's called break neck dance. I know, but this is where the coordinates show. It's got a purple line all the way to it. I'm just saying. That's where it shows, and they even turn left here. I'm following it to a T. There ain't no tracks here, that's for sure. Hey, there's some javelina tracks, some deer tracks. Looks like some coyote tracks. There's all kinds of tracks here. I'd say if them people are coming up in here looking for these things, they're not finding them. If they're up here where this coordinates say. I started to say I didn't see Patty behind me. Yeah, I see her. We're almost there. To the coordinates. I ain't saying to the dinosaur tracks. To the coordinates that she gave me. If I typed them in right. Well, there is tracks everywhere out here. And not a one vehicle track or side by side, motorcycle, nothing. Are you doing all right? I'm doing pretty good. I don't know why. Well, you got to practice in it in order to get better. You know what? That's just the truth of it. I'm getting better than I used to be. I still suck in it, but I do feel like I'm getting better. Biggest thing is don't make sharp turns. You should be able to follow my track no problem. I'm making a good track. Well, you don't have to follow it that detailed. We are at the coordinates. Oh, maybe that's the dinosaur tracks right there. I'm stuck. Well, I don't need a kickstand. Told you I don't need a kickstand. It's not that bad. You can go through there. Right here. Yeehaw! That's good. Right there. Shut her off. No, we ain't worried about it. That's just a mesquite. It don't matter.
What's that?
A mesquite don't matter.
Yeah, it does. I can't get out.
And are they really supposed to be dinosaur tracks?
Mastodon is a type of dinosaur, yeah.
I mean, they do look like some kind of tracks. Something smashed into the mud before it turned into rock.
I can't believe somebody would drive.
Yeah, because that's rock. And it is so obviously like it was clay mud at the time. And then it hardened up over the years. Huh? Oh, that's the coordinate. Did you think I wasn't going the right way? When you went straight back there when we turned. Oh. I told him, I said, well, I can tell you, I don't know if we're going to any dinosaur tracks, but we're going to those coordinates. That's all I knew. I'm not a smart man.
We're going to have to bring Zachary out here when it gets big enough.
Yeah. Pretty cool. I'm going to get my phone. I can get a picture of all of us and our bikes.
Oh my God, you guys are going to be upset with me.
Why?
Right here it says Mastodon footprint right here. Hiking. I didn't do that. They did that. It's
It don't matter. I don't care.
He's going to get a picture of
I'm easy like Sunday morning. It is pretty cool. So, well, I mean, it's obvious it's not. I mean, it's obvious that it's not just wore in there. You know, so you can see that something has stepped and pushed like clay mud out.
Yeah, then it petrified.
Because I'd say it was clay. This is just a clay shelf, and then it hardened to rock. What are you doing? Oh, digging out another track? Yeah, there's more on down. There's one here from this one.
There's one right here. We got to get going though, because I don't want to drive home. The
Yeah, we got Boogie.
That one is. Okay, I got 5G here. I'm going to share with you, Frank.
Yeah, and well, I'm going to mark this now. Right now.
My phone's dead.
I'm going to save this spot.
Yes, please save this spot. I already did. Because I can't connect right now. Can't connect to the internet. Well, it says 5G, does it not? I know you don't ever believe me.
I just said that's weird that we got 5G.
Did you see the tire on the tires on the Sabor cactus earlier? We got pictures of it. Yeah, let's get out of here because we got to load up. I want to get home before dark.
That is pretty cool. And they're probably more, like I said, if it wasn't for all the sand, I guarantee you there's more. I mean, a year from now, you come back and this could be all washed out and be a deep here, you know. That's how these washes change. No telling. Because at the time, if that was muddy, like clay mud, it was probably the whole area. All this stuff was like clay mud area.
That talks about it. I just have the coordinates. Yeah, if this is all done, I'm
Look at this. I'm a low rider. You may have to pull me out.
I got a win. Alrighty. Got a win. Alright, be safe.
See you when we get home. Huh? Well, yeah, that's right. I forgot about that. Dang it. I'm about to fall over here. I can't do it. Can't hold it. Hold on. Is she taking a picture? I don't know if I can in this. If I do it quick before it sinks. Probably can. I can tell you there's not nobody been up in here in a while. You know, because there was no tracks up here. Yeah, it's softer the further we go up the wash. Whew.